Hi there, this is Irene from Madrid Architecture. Let me start by first thanking you for all the support that you have been giving us. Thank you for subscribing, giving our videos a thumbs up, leaving your comments and your thoughts, and even sharing our videos. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Your support means a lot to us. Today we take a look at the Royale 4-bedroom house plan. The Royale 4-bedroom house plan is yet another classical and stunning 4-bedroom maisonette with just the right amount of living space for a family. If you're a fan of the rustic craftsman look, you're going to love this one. The beauty of this house plan is that it is spacious, all bedrooms are en suite, but it's still designed to fit in a small parcel of land. An entrance porch leads you into the inside of the house, where you have a spacious lounge on one side and an equally spacious dining room on the other side. The spacious lounge and dining room provide you with more than adequate space for your furniture, leaving you with enough circulation space. A spacious kitchen lies right behind the dining area. The kitchen has a walk-in pantry and a laundry area. Right behind the lounge, you have the staircase. Tucked underneath the staircase is the visitor's toilet. The toilet is very accessible while remaining private. Beyond the staircase, you have an ensuite bedroom. This bedroom is perfect as a guest bedroom or a room for your domestic worker. Upstairs, you have a spacious master bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom. The master bedroom has a walk-in dresser and a front balcony. You have two additional bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom. Both can comfortably fit two single beds. You also have a nice and cozy family room upstairs, additional space for memorable family gatherings and hangouts. This room is very versatile. You can choose to keep it as a family room, use it as an office or a study, or even convert it into a gym. Customize the house to your needs. This house plan has a total of 214 square meters. The ground floor offers you 107 square meters, and the upper floor offers you an additional 107 square meters. The overall plinth dimension of this house plan is 14.6 meters by 10.4 meters. This design is perfectly suited for an 1/8 acre piece of land, but you can be able to squeeze it in a 40 by 80 piece of land. The cost of construction for this house is approximately 7.5 million. We use the construction rates given by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya, their 2019-2020 construction cost handbook. Always remember that construction costs can vary for many reasons. Your location, materials used, finishes used, and many other reasons can take your construction cost either up or down. Well, as always, if you're interested in this house plan or any other house plan on our YouTube channel, get in touch with us. We are ready to work with you. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in our next video.